Addition is adding two different objects or numbers which results in its total sum. Example: 1 apple plus 2 apple equals 3 apple.
Other example: 2 orange plus 2 orange equals 4 orange.
Other example: 2 lollipops plus 3 lollipops equals 5 lollipops.
Example: 2 cake plus 3 cake equals 5 cake. Subtraction is taking away one object from another set of objects. Example: 2 car minus 1 car equals 1 car. Example: for candies minus 2 candies equals 2 candies. Example: 1 bus minus 1 bus equals 0 bus. Example: 5 pencil minus 1 pencil equals 4 pencil.